question is, are there specific disabilities Vietnam veterans are prone to, but they may not be aware of?
There are. There certainly are. I've seen that over the years also. You know, it was in the 90s basically that Vietnam veterans who had boots on the ground, they say, and were in Vietnam, they passed laws saying that some disabilities are presumptive. And they've had a lot of outreach on that from the VA and so forth. But still, there's certain kinds of disabilities that Vietnam veterans, and not just not boots on the ground veterans, but everybody during the Vietnam era. But in Vietnam, Agent Orange exposure is one big issue, obviously. And they've added to, you know, the number of disabilities that are considered presumptive. Certainly some of them that I can speak to are the coronary artery disease disabilities that veterans, if they have some type of what is called ischemic heart disease, and you know, they aren't necessarily all tuned into filing claims for that because they're not aware of it. That clearly is one issue that I see with Vietnam veterans are the presumptive disabilities. There's a lot of cancers, that lung cancer and laryngeal cancer. To think of a couple that would be related to Agent Orange presumptive disabilities. On the VA website, exactly, Agent Orange presumptive disabilities. But so I would say yes. Other areas of interest are post-traumatic stress disorder. That just came to a head also probably as early yet as 1985. So, you know, they went without having any recognition, and it's been a slow process even for PTSD. They've changed the laws many times. But again, those are issues that would affect Vietnam veterans.
Sure, yes.